Hello guys, I'm Davis from Aribabox, and today we are going to make a lounge chair, or should I say a set of lounge chairs. This may sound weird, but this was actually a very difficult project to do, since there are plenty of chair designs out there and coming up with a new one isn't an easy thing to do. I did a few sketches on paper and hours later I had an idea of what the end result could look like. I started sketching in Fusion 360 and soon after I had the model of the chair. I did some improvements on the shapes and components till I was satisfied with the result. And then I got a little carried away and made those two. I laid out the components on the sheet, saved the DXF file and did some CNC cutting. These are the parts I made, so let's start assembling. I made these angles the way that it would be more relaxing sitting here than it would be on a regular chair. Wow, this feels so good. The only thing missing for this chair is armrest, so let's make the second version. This is way better. Good for you. But I still think something is missing. You really think so? Yeah, that's better. Alright, hotshot. But where's the snacks? I want some fruit. Alright, my apologies. You're welcome. Thank you. By the way, I will upload free fruit basket file on aribabox.com, so I hope you have time to make it. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And also subscribe so you don't miss out on the next week's project. Thank you. Till next time.